R.I.P. to Louis Rankin, aka Teddy Brock Shot. So I'm get the name correct now. It's Teddy Brock Shot, because him say it himself in another video. Me the think of Teddy Brock Shot. Anybody else out there the think of Teddy Brock Shot? Because to me, I don't know that this sound more Jamaican. Teddy Brock Shot still, but I saw him name, so that's how we are going to go. Teddy Brock Shot, right? But even after him pass and gone, him still a make we laugh. Sure say about make you laugh. So listen to that video right now.
You want to say, I love Jamaica. Come shoot a movie with popcorn the other day. Cookie, crank up crew and the whole unroll himself. Pass Sizzler house and deal with Sizzler. Sizzler give me some bitters to drink. But Sizzler make a man ride me on a bike to go downtown. To go a country. The bike broke down before we reach downtown, right? Yeah. But through me have an interview for them, I tell the youth who are riding me, the crank up youth, Sizzler youth.
Yeah, crank it up.
I said, why? Why?
Why?
Because I feel like never lose my interview. So I just jump off of the bike and just rush downtown and say, never grab a minivan. See? I see a minivan just come around the corner, so I stop the minivan and the man they say, oh, Teddy Brook shot this. We have a room for you, man. Where you go? I say, oh, serious. When the man say we have a room for him going on the minivan, it's a Congo dread, me go sit outside and the man locks them look like tree limb, you know, like real bingy from Bobo, you know. So, the bongo look at me and say, now you never call Teddy Brook shot. I'm just say, yes, Ross. But I know you as Louis Rankin. You know why I go teach you some wisdom. You see the things that we are doing, like people love you, you know, and them really love what you do. But one thing, you know, see, you have to do certain things like bring some of the money to Bobo Hills to buy some juice and give some things and use such an idol. Same time when I talk, a mosquito flying on my face. So I'm going to buy.
Bye.
And kill the mosquito and my hand full of blood with the mosquito. The bingy get about time see it and say, Teddy Brook shot, you shouldn't kill Jaja servant. He make everything for a purpose. You don't do that. Don't follow people. It's a serpent, but you don't kill it because it belongs to Jah. Some say, alright, Ross, we just want to reach out so you know, sorry about that. And but anyway, I try to show you. You're going to be one of the greatest actors. Because you is now, but you're going to get better. Why they must say that to me, a mosquito flying on the back of the dread neck and bite the dread goes up and kill the mosquito. I look on the Ross and say, Bingy, you know, just tell me, say you don't kill Jaja serpent. The Bingy look at me and say, shut up, Louis Rankin, that one was a backbiter.
Yeah, man, rest easy, my boss. You see what I say? Forever and forever will be loved and missed by Jamaicans and Caribbean people and other people too, because you have a lot of people in the States who know your movie and know your work them. You see what I say? So, you don't know, sleep easy, my general. If you don't like and follow this page, please like and follow the page. Thank you.